30 people, 6 months, $1 billion valuation. In Silicon Valley, that is unheard of. While the world was distracted by the latest version of ChatGPT, a small team quietly built something that is currently terrifying Google and Microsoft. Meet Genspark. It is the first AI agent unicorn. And if you are still paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, another $20 for Claude, and more for design tools, you are wasting money. Genspark is the one replaces 10 solution. It is an all-in-one AI workspace that doesn't just chat with you, it actually does the work. Here is the secret sauce. Genspark orchestrates all the top models. You get access to GPT, Claude, Gemini, and Veo all in one subscription. But the real magic isn't the models, it is the agents. I'm going to show you 3 specific workflows that used to take me days, which Genspark now handles in minutes. First up, the corporate killer, slide decks. We have all been there. A last-minute presentation due in an hour. Usually, that is a panic attack waiting to happen. Watch this. I am telling the AI to act as a consultant for a dog food startup. I don't just want text, I want structure, design, and analysis. Look at the quality here. It didn't just dump text on a white background. It found relevant images, structured the argument, and formatted it. I can even perform research directly inside the slide editor to fact-check the data. I click export and I have a native PowerPoint file ready for a meeting. Next, let's talk about data. This is the new AI Sheet 2.0. If you are not an Excel wizard, analyzing raw data is a nightmare. But with Genspark, the AI acts as your data analyst. I just uploaded a raw CSV file. Instead of writing formulas, I am speaking to it in plain English. I asked it to run a SQL query and visualize the growth. It wrote the SQL query, executed it, and generated the visualization automatically. It even allows me to export this back to Excel with all the formulas preserved, so I can send it to a colleague who uses legacy software. Finally, the feature that unlocks the most potential. AI developer. Let's say you need a landing page for your new business or a portfolio site. I am asking for a photography portfolio. No Wix, no Squarespace, no coding. In 60 seconds, it wrote the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The site is live in the preview window. If I don't like the font, I just tell it, change the font to Helvetica, and it updates instantly. You can literally build a business presence during your lunch break. There is so much more I can't even fit into this video. There is Call for Me, where an AI voice agent will literally sit on hold and book restaurant reservations for you. There is the AI Designer for instant brand assets. It is an entire team of employees in your browser. This is why they are valued at $1 billion. They are moving us from the era of chatbots to the era of autonomous agents. You can try Genspark right now with free credits available upon sign up. But here is the wildest part. Genspark is offering unlimited usage of the AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, Seedream, Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.1, Claude Opus 4.5, and more top models inside these 2 features are available with unlimited access. The link is in the description. Go give it a try. Stop working harder, start working with Genspark.